This is the Sharp VL-AH150 Viewcam Hi8 camcorder. It's got this cool swivel. You can swivel this up and down and still look at the screen. Takes Hi8 tapes. Start and stop the recording up here. Switch to VCR mode like this to play back tapes. Load the tapes by opening this hatch up. That pops open. Put your tape in, close it. And there you have it. This is probably from the 2000s. It's maybe a 2.5, 3-inch screen, LCD screen, made by Sharp. Hi8 Viewcam. Can't go full 360, but you can rotate so you can film above your head or on the ground just by rotating the screen. If you have any Hi8 tapes you want to get digitized, bring them by the store. ddbf.com.
It's up to you to save your family memories.
There is only one company that can help.
Delaware Digital Video Factory.
ddbf.com